perfect recipes and flavors for summer come from island nations like Haiti. And if you've never had it before, we're showing you what you've been missing with a little help from executive chef of Montauk Yacht Club Resort and Marina, Ron Duprat, and our fabulous makeup artist, Karen DePuis, who is one of the best women ever and a native of Haiti. So, Ron, what is going on this table? It's so exciting.
Easy, Tiger, easy. Easy. You going for the mango?
Oh, I've been dying for this for 5 minutes.
So what's going on here? What are you making?
So I'm bringing you a little bit of flavor of Haiti. What you have here, you have some fried pork, which we marinate in some Haitian spices.
Ooh.
It'll be the best you'll ever have. Over here, I have some lemon brine chicken.
Ooh, lemon brine chicken.
So I do a thick on fried chicken.
Right.
I brine the chicken for overnight.
Right.
And then over here, this is our pickles.
Pickles?
Yes. Yes.
What, is it hot?
Yes.
It's spicy?
Yes.
Oh, you
spicy. Bringing the heat. I always bring the heat.
I like that.
So, which is like, it's a cabbage with vinegar, carrots.
Like a slaw.
And like a slaw.
Okay.
But spicy
in Haiti, we call it spicy slaw.
Right.
And then over here, this is our famous Dirijonjon.
What? Say it one more time.
Dirijonjon.
Dirijonjon. Everybody, Dirijonjon. All right. And what is Dirijonjon?
Dirijonjon is rice and black mushroom.
Oh.
Can we eat?
Yes.
Yes, you can eat. It's for you to eat. It's for you to eat.
Yeah, good.
You can start.
And what's in here?
What are Haitian spices, per se, like for your fried pork? What is it? Is it very spicy? Is it cumin?
It's very spicy. You got green onion, you got garlic, shallots, scotch bonnet, olive oil.
I like it.
Chef, it smells so great in here, and I know you're going to cook for us in just a little bit, but your story is so extraordinary. You came to this country when you were 16 on a boat, and you were at sea for like a month, right?
That's correct.
A month. You could have lost your life. What was it that drove you so much to come here?
They drove me is the American dreams. Yes.
And you are the American dream, too, because you were homeless, you didn't speak the language, but yet you got a job that just sort of changed your life.
Well, I started as a dishwasher, and I started from where I was to where I want to be. To me, this is an opportunity of a lifetime, something I want to cherish for the rest of my life. Back home is like, if you're not a doctor, a lawyer, a politician, like, people look down on you. But I want to change that. I just say, I want to cook. I think, till today, believe it or not, some friends look down because I'm a chef.
A chef who's been on Top Chef.
On Top Chef. These are tips, right?
Hello.
Like, that's the ultimate American dream nowadays. You go on a reality show and make that happen.
You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, hey,
You know what?
I'm here because of my fans.
Yeah, come on, child, please.
All right, some of us are never going to get up from this table ever again, but we are going to go cook your magical recipe here, right? Let's do it. Okay. Now, Chef, do you need these? Herbs?
Yes, I don't need them, but I'll take them.
Okay. Ooh, they smell good.
Yeah,
okay,
I
now,
went down for good luck.
what's the first step? You make your own broth.
The first step, this is the dry mushroom.
Okay.
I dehydrate the mushrooms, put some water in the mushroom. Some people do it for 8 hours, or some people do it overnight.
And you can't, and this is the flavor, so you can't
No,
mess up this
you don't
step,
mess with that. Grandma will be very upset.
Don't mess with that.
Did your grandma teach you these recipes?
Yes.
You still use them in...
I still use some recipe,
Okay.
only in Haitian cooking, not at the yacht club.
Okay.
So over here I have the onion and the garlic.
Right.
When they become translucent,
Right.
okay, I add my rice.
Right.
Fried rice. No
Yes.
liquid yet.
No liquid, no liquid.
We're getting
I heard that flavors the rice, right?
The flavor is the rice. So I add some peas.
Okay.
You can stir if you like.
Oh, God, it smells so good. Okay.
And then
okay,
this
hit me
is the
with some
water
broth,
from the
right.
mushroom.
Okay. Oh,
Okay,
my God.
So my mom stopped cooking for my family when I was 13 years old. She said we didn't appreciate her. When did you start cooking, or was it a necessity like mine?
I start cooking because ever since I can tie my shoes. Yes.
Oh, my God.
Because cooking
Smells
always
so
a passion.
This smells so good.
Yes, yes.
I wish